Hi there, thank you for clicking into this video to watch it. My name is Shuga. I am an Abuja YouTuber filming from the capital city of Nigeria. Yes, Abuja, Nigeria. If this is your first time of stopping by this YouTube channel, you are definitely welcome. Please do not make it your last. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And of course, always leave a comment in the comment section and like this video, okay, you guys? So in today's video, I bring to you a review. Today we're going to be reviewing the Dove Beauty Cream Bar Soap, and specifically the Dove Gentle Exfoliating Beauty Cream Bar Soap. Okay, you guys. Now, this particular review is coming straight from experience, okay, you guys? You know that I always put out a disclaimer here on this channel whenever I am reviewing any product that I have not used them, okay? The ones that I have used, and I'm giving you a review based on my experience from using them or from the experiences of people around me who have used them. I let you know, and if it is just okay, you know, result from, you know, my research that I'm sharing with you, I also let you know. So that is why I'm letting you know now that in this particular one, it is me that have used it, and I'm gonna tell you what the experience is like. But before we do that, one of the first things I want to let you know is that this particular soap is a cleansing bar, not like a normal regular everyday soap, okay? It is a cleansing bar that nourishes your skin, that exfoliates your skin. Now, before I go any further, you must know that this particular soap is a cleansing bar that exfoliates and nourishes your skin. Like, what the heck? I have one here, okay? Literally two of them, because it comes two in a pack, right? So I got two in a pack. So this is the last one that I was using, okay? Or that I was using. I didn't finish using it. I'm going to tell you why in this video, okay? As you can see, this is what is left of the soap, okay? This is what I've used right now. Now, this soap smells so good. Smells so good, so that after taking your shower, if you don't apply cream that is fragrance and you step out, people are going to perceive the aroma, the smell of this very beautiful soap, okay, on your body, on your skin. That is one thing I love about it. I am all for whenever I use a soap to take my bath, especially all over my body, I want it to smell like when I apply cream on my body. I want you to smell it and know that this girl, this your soap, this your cream, okay? And then coupled with when I now add my perfume or my perfume oil to the mix, Lord, heavenly, divine. Now, I'm going to tell you one thing that I like, that I discovered about this particular soap, okay? And that is the fact that it is a little harder than the regular soap. Now, I've seen people call this particular soap fake initially, okay, because it is not as you know, as soft as the other ones. And the normal regular thing, when I even started reading reviews about it in order for me to go get mine, was that it finishes quickly. But you guys, before I stopped using this soap, I'd used it for a month, even if I was using it on my face majorly, and then once in a while, like 2 to 3 times on my body, okay, because I already had a soap, a very good soap and cream that I use, so I didn't want to mess all of that up. So I was using it 2 to 3 times a week on my body and then on my face, and after 1 month, this is what it looks like. So this is literally almost 2 months since I got it, but I've not been using it in the past 1 month, okay, for some reasons. It comes in a 2-in-1 pack, okay, this is the pack. It means that if you get it, it's probably going to last you up to 3 months or even more if you're using it only for your face, especially, of course, like I said. So, of course, like the name says, it exfoliates your skin in order to remove dead skin cells so that your skin can come out looking soft, smooth, sweet, delicious. I'm showing you guys my earring, okay? I just got this one and I love it. See, what do you think? What do you think about it? What do you think about it? Okay, you guys, I'm a little freaky in today's video. I don't know why, but let's keep on going. Yeah. See, let me tell you another reason why I liked this soap the first time I used it, okay, and I really appreciated it, is the fact that it is so milky. And it foams so well, okay? Initially, when I, you know, applied it on my hands to put on my face, I was like, what is this? It just feel like when you're applying yogurt, okay, or milk to your face, you know, when you put milk in a little water to make it not too thick, and then you rub it around your hands and you rub on your face, okay? Yes, it felt like that, and it made it feel so good. So I wasn't, you know, repulsed by any repugnant smell that you know would have come out of the soap if I was applying it on my face, as you would have other soaps, especially when they are treating something on your face or trying to do something positive to your skin, okay? This one was so smooth, was so silky, oh my gosh, and milky, my goodness. You guys see, it's still smelling on my hand. It's still smelling. Now let me tell you one thing I also noticed about this particular soap that I liked the first time I used it, and that was the fact that it retained moisture on my skin. Like, how do I explain this? Like, after applying it, like after washing my face, especially with this particular soap, and washing off the soap and then patting dry, you guys, my skin felt like the skin of a baby. Okay, you know how you use some soaps and then after using it your face feels ashy and dry, so you need to quickly moisturize immediately or use your toner or whatever else you use on your face. It was not the case with this one. As soon as I finished using it and patting my face dry, my face was as smooth and silky as that of a newborn baby. So I could literally have stepped out of the house without even applying any cream, any moisturizer or anything. It does not strip your skin of the original moisture on it. Now, you know that the reason why sometimes after applying a soap on your face or washing your face with a soap or cleanser, the reason why your face is always ashy is because it is stripping your skin of the natural oils that are also beneficial to your skin. But this soap does not do that. It helps to lock in the moisture, it helps to retain the moisture, and you guys, I mean what else you want? And so now, can this soap be used on the face as on the body? I'm going to say yes and I'm going to say no. From experience, hold on. Like I said, I am telling you first-hand experience of what I went through when I used this particular soap. Now, the major reason why I got the Dove Gentle Exfoliating Soap was because of my face. Because around the period when I lost my mom, okay, I was bereaved, out because of all the stress and all of that hormonal imbalance struck in. I broke out terribly. I'm going to try to get a picture and leave it here or here for you to see what I'm talking about, and then look at my skin right now, okay, you guys, so you can see the difference, so you can imagine how bad my acne was then. So I quickly went for this because I knew that I needed to jump into some sort of skincare, okay, to save my life, to save my skin. All right, so now when I used it on my face, the first thing I noticed was that immediately, like I said, my skin felt like that of a baby. The first 2-3 days that I used it, amazing, I was loving the results. I decided to use it on my body as well. So yes, you can use it on your face and your body, but there is a clause, you guys. After 1 week of using this particular soap on my face, hey, the thing destroyed my face. The thing damaged my face. And initially, the first thing that came to my mind was, oh my goodness, I must have bought the fake of this soap, okay? And of course, in another video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can actually differentiate, okay, between the fake and the original of the Dove Beauty Bar soap, okay, anywhere you go to, any of the Dove soap products. I'm going to do that in another separate video. If you would like to see that particular video, let me know in the comment section below. Now, you guys, like I was saying, this thing broke me out crazy, silly. Initially, I didn't want to accept or believe that it was the one because of how bad my skin was. I was being too careful with what I put on my skin. So the only thing I did was use the Dove Beauty Bar and then follow through with a very good vitamin C serum just to keep my face moisturized and hydrated, so that the acne inflammations could reduce, subside and all of that, so that I can get myself. But as every day passed, it got worse. And after making my research, asking questions, I got to realize that the problem was, if you are using this soap on your face, do not use it every single day. Remember, it is an exfoliating soap, and that was the mistake that I made, okay? Any soap, any scrub that is meant to exfoliate your skin, you're not supposed to use it every day. It's not an everyday soap. You use it 2 to 3 times in a week, okay? If your skin is very sensitive, maybe just 2 times a week. If your skin is not as sensitive, okay, then maybe 3 to 4 times every week you can exfoliate your skin. So if you're using a soap that is meant to exfoliate your face or your body, please, my darling, don't use it every single day. You're going to be damaging your skin, causing more harm to your skin, and your skin could get worse than it was before you started using that particular product, okay? So that was the mistake, like I said, that I made with this particular one, and immediately I stopped. All the inflammation started reducing. Let me tell you, it got so bad that I even thought it was my sunscreen breaking me out. But I also, even if that also was a factor, but I also realized that while I stopped or reduced my usage of this Dove Beauty Bar, I realized that the inflammations would reduce on their own, even if I sleep with makeup, even if I don't take my shower, even if I don't apply any other thing on my face, okay? And that was why I stopped using it, you guys. And because I just needed to, that was too much drama for my skin, okay, you guys. My skin is I don't know what I'm going to call it, but let's say it's sensitive. My skin is sort of sensitive, okay, and it's an acne prone skin, so I'm really very careful. Sometimes even the product, tons of products, whether organic or inorganic, that works for other people does not work for my face. Sometimes it can be 150 naira soap, and I'm not exaggerating, or 100 naira something that is going to work for me. Other times is that one that is sold for 30k or 15k or 20,000 naira is what is going to work for my face, as against what is working for other people who, you know, have similar situations or the same skin type that I have. Okay, you guys, yes. And that brings me to the end of this video. Do you enjoy watching this video? Let me know in the comment section below. Do you have other questions about the Dove exfoliating beauty bath soap? Let me know in the comment section below. And of course, very importantly, you guys, are there other soaps and creams, body care products, hair care products that you would like us to review on this channel? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'm going to be bringing it right to you. Thank you once again for watching this video to the end. Till I come your way next time in my next pretty video. Stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget, my darling, that Shuga loves you. Bye.